Everybody wants to know how to make money on social media. This morning on my live, several people asked me how I do it. And the truth is probably not what you want to hear. I treat social media like a full-time business. Spend about 6 hours every day, 7 days a week. And I make content, editing videos, going live, replying to comments, studying what works, and posting on 4 platforms. It's the real secret. It's not one viral video, which I've had, or a lucky break, which I've had. It's showing up every day, doing the reps. You got to post consistently, multiple times a day, multiple platforms. Got to learn how to tell and write better stories, and you have to be honest. Most importantly, you got to create content that people give a darn about. They're not going to follow you just because you want followers. They follow you because you teach them something, make them laugh, help them feel understood, entertain them. People don't follow perfection. They follow people they believe. And that trust takes a minute. This is why I talk openly about my health, my mistakes, my divorce, my drinking, my weight, my life. And what it's like to rebuild your life later in life. Not pretending to say I've got everything figured out. I'm showing people what the work looks like. I post on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, because one can fail and take off on another. You have to give yourself the most chances to succeed. Social media is not just about views, but that's how you make money. Sponsorships matter. Accountability coaching is the basis of everything that I do. The videos help people find me. The lives help people find me and build trust. And then they watch those and they trust me and they contact me for coaching. Social media, that's how it becomes a business. And one more thing, somebody is trying to tell you how to grow on social media and they've got 1,000 followers. You might want to ask yourself, why aren't they using their own advice? Well, their account, your follower account is not everything, but there are no shortcuts. Lots and lots of work. You got to show up when nobody's watching. Keep posting when nothing is taken off. Keep improving when you feel like quitting. And one day, people are going to call you lucky because they didn't see the hundreds and hundreds of hours before the growth started. My growth is not luck. It is repetition, consistency, telling the truth, and it is doing the work every single day. If you're rebuilding your life or trying to build something of your own, you're in the right place. Comment I'm in down below so I can see you. I'm an accountability coach. For as little as $50 a week, we could have a 30-minute weekly accountability call, and I can help you moving towards your goals. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.